Visit us at EduVo. Thank you for calling EduVo.
Welcome to this Visual Basic Programming series. This course will provide you with everything you need to know for creating applications using the easy-to-use language that is Visual Basic. My name is Rahan Hussain and I will be leading you through this course. I have experience in creating over 2,000 video tutorials in a wide array of subject areas from game development to web development and Android mobile development. I have personally created the videos from Sonar Systems for the past 5 years, which is the world leader in providing online education. I also run an online education platform and teach programming at a university. I am also a free-time published author of programming books and have over 195,000 students enrolled on my courses via Udemy. I created this course for anyone interested in learning more about Visual Basic plus its implementations, also for anybody looking to refresh their Visual Basic and programming skills in general. The ideal student for this course is anyone with a passion for learning more about the programming language Visual Basic and its plethora of applications. Feel free to take a look through the course description and ask any questions you may have before enrolling, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Hello, in this programming video I am going to cover how to set up VB.NET on a Windows platform. So to do it, it's pretty simple. Just need to make sure you have Visual Studio downloaded. So if you just open up your favorite web browser, which I'm hoping is not Internet Explorer, and just Google, literally just Google Visual Studio, or you could Bing it if you wanted to. Visual Studio, let's go to the first link. Don't worry, I'll provide a link to everything that we are using and covering. And you want to go to the Visual Studio IDE, and you can test some stuff in the Visual Studio code, but it's the IDE that what we really want. Just select the community version. As of creating this video, 2017 is the latest, and it might change. If it does, just download whatever is the latest version, and you'll get this exe. Just open it, and it's just an installer that will download a variety of other stuff. So this is downloading a whole heap of other stuff. I've already got it installed, so I won't need to complete the setup. I'm just showing you the initial stages of it. But if you've installed anything on a Windows machine before, which I'm sure you have, you'll be familiar with the process. So this it just downloads the installer files, and so just let it complete this stage of it. So downloaded, installed, and let's see what we get when it loads up. So it says almost done. Like a little tease saying almost done. I'm getting everything ready. Would like a bit more of a update, maybe a bar or even a percentage or a time. So okay, we get this Visual Studio installer. From here you can install all the different components of Visual Studio that you want. So it says this product is already installed, and I can update it. I'll actually last updated apparently in the year 1. Interesting. I'm pretty old then apparently. I will actually update it after the video because this is going to take a little while. I'll click cancel. From here, just install the community edition. You'll get the option to install different components like the Visual Basic aspects. That's the one you want. Once you've done that, you'll be able to launch it up. So if I launch Visual Studio, or if you just search for it, 2017. So let this load up. And from here just go to File, New Project, and then go to Visual Basic, Windows Classic Desktop. If you click this or you click this and it doesn't, any of these options don't appear, or the one that I use doesn't appear, then there'll be an option to actually install it, or go back to that installer and just install the Visual Basic aspect of it. And then from there you can start using it, because there are other things that I can do as well. So it says if you can't find what you're looking for, just click the Visual Studio installer, and you could click this, it would launch up what we had before, and we could select the products that we need. So it's almost there. And you would launch this for environmental. This is what you'll get when you first install it as well. From here you can choose like visual, .NET, which is what I've got. I've also got the C++, but you'll just want the .NET desktop development. If you want to do for like the Windows platform, the universal Windows platform, and use Visual Basic, you can use this. But just for the purpose of this series, the .NET desktop development is more than sufficient. And there's like a whole heap of other stuff that you can do. You can create mobile development with JavaScript, mobile development with C++, game development, including engines like Unreal and Cocos 2D, even Linux development. There's like a lot of stuff you can do with Visual Studio, even Python development. Whole heap of stuff. Okay, I'm going to close it because I've already got installed. From here, you select console application. At a later date, we'll be doing stuff like Windows Form apps to be able to create, visual user interfaces. But when we get to that, I'll show you all of that cool stuff. So just call this, something. I'm going to call it Awesome Project. And now I'm just going to select the desktop just so it's easier for me to be able to access. But you can select whatever, platform you want. And now you create directory for solution, that's fine. Create new Git repository. Unless you know what that is and you need it, just unselect it. Or it should be unselected. Click OK. And this will create our sort of, blank vanilla Visual Basic project, which we'll use to do all of our coding in. So it's got a little simple module and the main, and some properties here. If we go to the app config, we got some properties right here. And we'll be covering all of this, really cool stuff at a later date. But if we click start, it builds it. Build started. And it runs it. And it closes because we don't have anything in here. But we'll be covering that in separate videos. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I will provide all of the links that you need from the GitHub page, which contains all the source code, the Visual Studio link, and and some other cool links as well. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video. Hello, in this programming video, I am going to show you how to run Visual Basic Code online. Doesn't matter whether you're on the Mac, on a Windows machine, doesn't matter, because it's online. So just open up your favorite web browser and then go to Rex Texter. So if you literally just Google this, I will actually provide a link with this video so you don't need to, awkwardly find it yourself if you can't. So rextexter.com. From here, go to language and select Visual Basic, but there's a whole heap of other languages that you can use. And now you have a very, very simple Visual Basic project. Click run. It runs it. If, let's say, I was to change this to hello world, my name is Faham, and I'll do a capital F for my name, run it, there you go, it runs, and that's it. There's nothing more to it than that. So if you want to quickly try some Visual Basic Code online, this is the way to go. And like I said, there's a bunch of other languages, so feel free to use it for various other languages and projects as well. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.